Hi, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create PDF files from images in minutes. This guide is not about one images, it's about 100 even 1000 images, and combined them into a PDF file. I have two handy tools, Image Resizer and PDF Bookmaker. The Image Resizer is used to resize the original image to the favorite size used by Bookmaker. There are some options available, like image width, watermark, etc. I select one image folder as the directory, set the image width, watermark image, and transparency, then click OK. It resized all the images in seconds. Let's take a look. Some of the images are watermarked we set. Some of them are not as expected. We also set a transparency for the watermark. Now let me do a PDF maker. Choose the whole directory contains the two image folders. Set the PDF page size. Tick whether to delete the resized images are PDF created. Then click OK. In seconds, it completed. In the directory, the two PDF files are created. Let me give it a look. In this demo, the page size is not set correctly, so there are some blank spaces in the PDF file. The original images are preserved after conversion, the resized images deleted. Thank you for watching.